Introduction. I have 20 marbles. I have 22 marbles. Wow, I have more than you. We can count the things around us like vegetables, cars, etc. Certain things cannot be counted like stars in the sky, hair on our head, etc. Mathematically, you are talking about whole numbers. Let us learn about whole numbers in this lesson. Natural numbers. We use 1, 2, 3, 4 to count the objects. Counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Adding 1 to any number gives its successor. Example, 1 added to 20 gives 21, which is successor of 20. Subtracting 1 from any number gives its predecessor. Example, subtracting 1 from 20 gives 19, which is the predecessor of 20. Interesting question. What is the largest natural number? Whole numbers. Whole numbers include 0 and all the natural numbers. Points to remember. 1. All natural numbers are whole numbers. 2. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. 3. There is no largest whole number. The number line. The number line helps to display the whole numbers visually. To construct a number line, we simply draw a straight line and choose any point on the line and label it 0. This point is called the origin. We then choose some convenient length and moving to the right, mark off consecutive intervals, paths, along the line starting at 0. We label each new interval endpoint with the next whole number. The distance between any two consecutive points on a number line is called unit distance. Out of two whole numbers, greater number comes on the right of other number on the number line. Operations on number line. Addition is easily visualized on the number line. Let's visualize the addition of 4 and 3 using the number line. To find 4 plus 3, 1. Start at 0. 2. Move to the right 4 units. We are now located at 4. 3. From 4, move to the right 3 units. We are now located at 7. Thus, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. While subtracting two whole numbers, move left the number of spaces that need to be subtracted. Suppose the sum of two whole numbers is 11, and from 11 we remove 4. Using the number line to help our visualization, we see that if we are located at 11 and move 4 units to the left and thus remove 4 units, we will be located at 7. Thus, 7 units remain when we remove 4 units from 11 units. Multiplication means moving towards right, hoping specified units at a time multiple times. For example, 2 into 5. Start from 0, move 2 units at a time to the right, make such 5 moves. You will reach 10. So we say 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Patterns in whole numbers. Numbers can be arranged in some elementary shapes using dots. The shape could be a line, square, rectangle, triangle. Every number can be arranged as a line. For example, some numbers can be arranged as squares. For example, some numbers can be arranged as rectangles. Rectangles can be horizontal arrangement or a vertical arrangement. For example, some numbers can be arranged as a triangle. For example, sometimes some kind of pattern is observed in whole numbers which can help in simplifying the calculation process. For example, let's look at another one. One more example. Identity. The whole number 0 is called the additive identity. Since when it is added to any whole number, the sum is identical to that whole number. The whole number 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Since when it is multiplied to any whole number, the product is identical to that whole number. Patterns in whole numbers. Numbers can be arranged in some elementary shapes using dots. The shape could be a line, square, rectangle, triangle. Every number can be arranged as a line. For example, some numbers can be arranged as squares. For example, some numbers can be arranged as rectangles. Rectangles can be horizontal arrangement or a vertical arrangement. For example, some numbers can be arranged as a triangle. For example, sometimes some kind of pattern is observed in whole numbers which can help in simplifying the calculation process. For example, let's look at another one. One more example. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number line is visual presentation of numbers in form of a line. It is easy to add, subtract and multiply on a number line. Properties of whole numbers include closure, associative, commutative and distributive properties. Whole numbers follow a pattern.